things look like here at YIN XIAN Resort.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is JOYCE the Explorer Hk. So for today's video, we are going to explore Shenzhen, China, the famous glass bridge here. We have this walkie-talkie, and you can put it in the ear so that you can listen to the tour guide. Imagine we're already in China now. We just crossed that immigration and that's it. And we had to go to our bus together with our co-Filipino and hello guys, now we're here at YIN XIAN. We're going to explore glass bridge here at YIN XIAN, China. So of course, this is our group. We are in a group tour now with Ate Cormy, of course, and outdoor of that simple for a picture. Shenzhen is a global center in technology, research, manufacturing, business and economics, finance, tourism, and transportation. And the port of Shenzhen is the world's fourth busiest container port. Shenzhen is classified as a large port megacity, the largest type of port city in the world. The city is located at the east bank of Pearl River estuary on the central coast of the southern province of Guangdong, bordering for Hongkong to the south, Dongguan to the north, and Hangzhou to the northeast, with a population of 17.56 million as of 2020. Shenzhen is the third most populous city by urban population in China after Shanghai and Beijing. It's 1:45 p.m. Our lunch for today is already set. After a few minutes, then we already arrived here at YIN XIAN Resort. So, yeah. Hello guys, now we're here at YIN XIAN Resort. So, this is where we're going to start. And let's enjoy coming here. It will be depends to you. We'll see. Sana man lang naka-translate sa English, di ba? Asan si ano? Ito si ate. Nasa na ba? Ayun na yung glass bridge, guys. So we're going up there. Nako. Let's see how it look like and what is the experience around here. Dito pa.
Mag-crawl ako.
Anong masasabi mo?
Tingin ko mag-crawl ako eh.
Talaga ba? Sige, videohan kita gaano ka mag-crawl. Tingnan natin kung paano ka mag-crawl. Kabado ba kayo?
Sabi ng puso ko, tigudug.
Okay, now we're here. And we are already here. Ate, dali, nasa ka na ate?
Picturean muna.
Hiningal ako dun ha. Halika na. Oh, thank you. Yeah, we're here na guys.
Nilagay sa paa?
Wala. Nililinis ka lang.
Yan na, break the glass.
Oh, ayan na siya. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ay. New 3D glass bridge in Yanxian Resort, a day tour in China. Yanxian Resort is one of the biggest comprehensive resorts in South China. It consists of more than 30 thrilling facilities such as a roller coaster and big pendulum, water park, snow park, selected animal zoo, Soul Glass Bridge as we are walking right now. A while ago, I was a bit nervous looking under, but now while I'm walking, I'm a bit fun and so excited. Picture naman tayo.
Nasa gilid siya ng ano eh.
Hindi ba ito yun? Hindi kaya pala. Dapat
Maliit lang to.
Sobrang haba nun sa ikot pababa.
Sa bundok yun eh.
Ano? Saan sa China yun? Finland.
Hindi ko lang alam kung saan yung sa China.
So we're going to exit now. So yan siya guys.
Pa lang to. 1/4 lang.
Ang glass bridge. Yeah! Here. Ayan. Diba? They are so brave. Woo! So we're going to exit now. So yan siya guys.
Pa lang to. 1/4 lang.
Ang glass bridge. Oh, look at that. Ay, gusto ko yan. Now we have to go to polar bear surfing. So this is so much fun. Noodle rice. So now let's go to the snow park. So I'm also excited about this. Ayan, after natin sa ano, sa dagat. Ayun, sa patubig, sa snow naman tayo. Oh my gosh, ang lamig. Ilang degree kaya dito? So, andito kami sa Ice Tower.
So we'll see.
How high is it? Mayama. Let's enter the igloo. Oh, this is the igloo. Eh, mas warm pa dito kaysa sa labas. So, mas warm pa dito kaysa sa labas, guys. So, this is the igloo.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Bumabalahin ito. Yeah.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any